Hello, this is Mix Abron again. Have you remember nung birthday ni Camille? Dito kami ulit sa Morong with my family. And then ngayon, nandiyan tayo sa Morong. Again, for the second time. Kasama ko mga buddies. Tawag ko sila, buddies. So it's 4:39 PM pero 5 o'clock na. Apparently gusto ko makikita ko yung beach again. Apparently last year. Tingnan mo dyan sa link below in this card. Kasi birthday ni Camille noong June 25. Diyan kami nagmumurong. Ngayon, there are other outings kasama ako. Okay, I'm done for swimming. Kaso, pagbukas, may video sa akin ni Chloe Valencia. Pag nag-swimming ako ulit, by the morning, papakita natin yung paglalangoy ako dito. By the way, it's only 10:29, magta 10:30 na. Matulog muna tayo. So mag-alas 6 na, tingnan mo yung mukha ko. Dito, anong sunblock, hindi ibang yun. Everything. Dali lang. Whew. Ubad muna natin yung chinelas. Oh! My God.
Wala pang tubig yan.
Sis! Ito mag-isa to eh. Especially ito, pag nasa loob ng dagat na ito, parang natapakan ko. It's not even a quicksand could step me. There it is. A morning breeze in this beach. I repeat, a morning breeze in this beach. Gives me a real relaxation. Ganyan pa talaga maaga maggumising mga tao.
Awesome. 8:44. You know I'm going to enjoy this pool anytime.